Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a person who likes to buy goods with low prices. You should say who this person is. What does this person like to buy? Where does this person like to buy things? And explain why this person likes cheap goods. One person I know usually chooses to purchase items at discounted pricing. He is one of my closest buddies and goes by Rahul. He regularly searches for the best offers before making a purchase because he is quite frugal. Even though he can buy expensive items, he firmly feels that saving money is more essential than making unnecessary purchases. Rahul enjoys purchasing a wide range of goods, but particularly groceries, electronics, clothing, and household goods. He waits for special events like Black Friday, end-of-season deals, and festival discounts to make purchases since he is very interested in sales and discounts. For instance, he waits a few months for the price to drop or finds a used smartphone in great shape rather than purchasing the newest model at full price. Additionally, he would rather purchase clothing at clearance deals than at retail. Rahul has a few preferred locations for shopping. He frequently shops at bargain stores, internet retailers, and local markets. Because he can haggle and find goods at significantly lower prices than in branded showrooms, he enjoys exploring street markets. He also shops online at sites like Amazon, Flipkart, and eBay, where he looks for sales and uses coupons to save even more money. He also shops at charity stores and second-hand stores, where he can acquire high-quality goods at shockingly inexpensive costs. Rahul chooses to purchase inexpensive products for a few reasons. First of all, he supports prudent spending. He believes that many pricey things are overvalued and that, with careful searching, one may find comparable quality products at a reduced cost. Second, he lives a minimalist lifestyle, which means he only buys goods that are absolutely required and stays away from frivolous spending. He also likes the excitement of finding deals. When he is able to purchase anything at a far cheaper cost than others, he gets a sense of accomplishment. Finally, he wants to save money for future home purchases, investments, and vacation, among other larger financial objectives. To sum up, Rahul is a person who always searches for economical solutions and is extremely cautious with his money. He is adept at spotting the best offers and never makes rash purchases of pricey goods without first weighing his options. I truly respect his abilities to cut costs while still obtaining high-quality goods.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.